Good morning, guys. So it's a heavy rainy morning and I'm on my way to work, and I thought it's a perfect weather to talk about the part 3 of my GT's new UHP tires, GitiSport S2 performance on wet road condition. So I hope the noise is bearable and you can still hear me loud and clear. I have been quite happy with the performance, and I've been driving it for I think more than 500 km during the Malaysia Day long weekend, and I went all the way from KL to Telok Intan. So on my way back to KL, I was on this Kuala Selangor B road. It also was a heavy rainy afternoon, and I found that on the straight road, on the straight line, the aquaplaning control is actually quite good, because when I run over pools of waters, and I don't really feel any different or loss of traction at an average speed of 90 to 100 km per hour. And because it's a rainy, wet road conditions and heavy rain, so I don't dare to go faster than that. But the only thing that I experienced where the aquaplaning control doesn't work as it is when I taking a corner, a long corner, like at 60 km per hour or 70 km per hour, I feel a slight loss of traction. There's a little bit of a drifting feel for just a split second, then I managed to regain control again. So as you all know, UHP tires are meant to drive fast and shine on dry road conditions. So I don't really have high hopes on these UHP tires to perform very well in a wet road condition, and this has surprised me. And this has surprised me actually, and it's good enough to handle all kind of wet road conditions under normal driving conditions, okay? Because you don't expect, I believe most of you all, especially those who enjoy spirited driving, will go on a toge run during a heavy rain, right? So yes, I believe for these UHP tires, very good enough for your weekend toge and also your daily driving. So since I published my second part of my video on my tire review to Genting Highlands, a lot of my friends have actually asked me about the tire performance and also the price of the tires, and also where to get the tires. So yes, I'm glad that my review actually helped you guys and also expose you guys to some of this GT's best tires you can get on the market now. So if you guys really want to know more or want to try out the tires and you have no idea where to get them, I will leave the GT Malaysia's Facebook link in the description box, and you can just click and send them a message, and the helpful customer service will guide you through. So okay, that is all about my wet road condition review. Do not expect me to give you some wet braking versus dry braking, this kind of professional review. I'm just reviewing the tires based on an ordinary motorist perspective. Okay, so I will continue to update you guys on the tires, especially on the longevity of the tires, and stay tuned. And also, thanks for watching again, and also please like, share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Drive safe, especially on a rainy day. Bye.